Brothers need to know it's cool to be vulnerable. Brothers need to hold each other accountable. Brothers need to keep an eye on each other and an eye out for each other. Brothers need to smother each other with positive vibes, positive input, constructive feedback impacts lives positively. Consequently, brothers will see growth and stability in our communities. Brothers need to focus on unity. Brothers need to speak up for other brothers in rooms where they can't be, to create opportunities that brothers have categorically been denied. This ain't about dependency, this is about intentionality, because the reality is, if we don't take action in the affirmative, no one else will do it for us. Brothers, we need to believe in us. Brothers, taking care of our women and children is a must. Brother, I am your keeper and I trust you to keep me. God, teach me to see that my brother has never been my enemy. Quarter zips and Nike tech fits can't divide us. We're family. I'm every brother, y'all are all in me, and I pray that the love that I have for you will be returned to me and we can work this thing out naturally, my brother.